All right guys, we're going to show you how to change the Infeed paper roll on Compact 3. There's a couple ways to get to the paper. You can either reach down through the rollers and cut it from the top, or you can go underneath and cut it from the bottom. This roll is still fairly new, so for this demonstration, I'm just going to get underneath and cut it at the bottom. So you get underneath, you cut the paper, then you're going to take that grounding clip off, take this placement pin out, the whole thing pulls out. Usually it actually cuts. Loosening this brake right here, loosen this up so you can pull it out. Pin over here, same kind of idea, pull the pin out. Now this entire thing is able to be picked up by a forklift. There is one more bolt that you need to loosen here on this collar, but if you're going to pick it up on a forklift and get it at working height, I would do it then. Let me go grab a 6mm Allen. So just crack that collar, and then that collar is able to be spun off and loosened up, and these cones just fall right out. Okay? So you take the collar off, the cone out, and pull the rod completely out the other way. Yep, the collar just goes in, this goes up, and then this continues to keep it flush in here. These little set screws just kind of dive into the core, and that's what keeps everything locked into place there. Tighten that back up. Now this right here, this actually works as a brake as well for your paper, okay? So you want to tighten it up. This is the tension on it, yeah. So if you got this too tight, it's not going to want to pull. But you'll feel it. You turn and turn and turn, and all of a sudden it kind of stops, and then just give it a little extra. It's about perfect in most situations. So, all right, this goes back on. Nice. I don't want it to rip when it goes through either. Just pull a little bit off. I'm rolling it back in and reattaching it. So make sure the wheel fits in this track right here. Not the whole thing won't line up. Okay. There's a pin here, goes in, holds it in the correct position, and your grounding cable here. Okay, so now we're going to reattach the new paper roll to the old paper that's still in the machine. We're just going to tape them together, and we're going to manually pull it through to feed the new paper roll in.